When I saw the Unruly Splat, it blew me away. It was what we'd been missing. My name is Jason Behrens, and I'm an innovation specialist with Somerville Public Schools. What makes Splats so unique is the combination of coding and active play. And we're working closely with our librarians and our PE teachers to create some magnificent experiences with our students.
My name is Deborah Dixon. I'm the library media teacher at the Winter Hill Community Innovation School, and I love Splats. Splats didn't take a long time to learn how to use. It's very intuitive. I use them to teach block programming skills, troubleshooting, working out bugs that's in code. I've also am using them to help with interactive storybooks that I've been reading. It's addictive. Once you start using it, your kids will want to use it all the time.
One of the things I learned when working with Splats that mistakes are okay to make, and working with your friends makes things easier.
My name is Chad Mazza. I am the Assistant Superintendent of Schools. We basically here at Winter Hill have just adopted Splats as part of the day. So it's not thought of as a one-off or as something separate. Staff collaboration plays such an important role in anything that we do, with our students. But especially with Splats, because you're really going cross-curricular.
My name is Ben Senecal. I am the PE teacher here at the Winter Hill Community Innovation School. Splats have really opened up PE to a lot of students that normally would be sitting on the side or would choose to be a referee in a game rather than a player. Now they're not only a referee, they are in control of the game. The first time the librarian and I collaborated together with the Splats was actually Splats Olympics night, where we had a bunch of different Olympic-based activities, and then we had a secret agent training course that utilized the Splats in the library. It was pretty epic.
The collaboration we had with Splats was unbelievable. There was weekly phone calls, there were meetings, so it wasn't a one-off, so to speak. It was a real level of engagement and involvement. One of the great things in the new role that I'm in as Assistant Superintendent is now I'm able, with the experience that I've had with Splats, take it district-wide, and so now all schools and all students will have the benefit.
Really, it's up to the teachers and the students to now turn it into something amazing that's unique, that's their own. And so we're really excited to see what happens next.